Hi everyone. In the last part of my lesson, I taught you the definite article the. And in this part, I am going to teach you where we should not use the, that is omission of the. Where we should not use the. దీని ఎక్కడ వాడకూడదు అనే దాన్ని ఈ పార్ట్లో నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. సో లాస్ట్ పార్ట్లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? డెఫినెట్ ఆర్టికల్ దీని ఎక్కడ వాడాలి అని నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు దీని ఎక్కడ వాడకూడదు అనేది నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. సో names of people. Actually, these should not be used before the proper names of people or places. So, ఎవరి పేరునైనా చెప్పేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళ పేరుకు ముందు దీని యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. ఐఎమ్ శ్రీదేవి, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ది శ్రీదేవి. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మన ప్లేస్ పేరుని చెప్పేటప్పుడు కూడా దీని వాడకూడదు. So, the names of people or places should not carry the. And the second one, abstract nouns. What is meant by an abstract noun? Abstract noun and entante which we feel but we cannot see or touch. So, for example, let us consider air. When the fan is rotating, you see the moving of the fan, but you cannot see the air. So, air is an abstract noun. So, before such words, we should not use any article. So, for example, air, happy, sad, or we can see your tears but not your sadness. And in the same way, anger, hunger, all these are considered to be abstract nouns. Okay, and before, after a noun, possessive. Okay, after a noun in possessive case. So, for example, a boy's uncle. The same sentence can be said as the uncle of the boy. Okay, so look here, the uncle of the boy. Here both the words uncle and boy carry the definite article the, whereas here the word uncle doesn't carry the definite article the because it is preceded by a possessive case word, that is boy, boys. So it should not be, uncle should not carry the. Okay, do you understand this? And the next one, before the names of meal. This already we discussed when we are discussing about a and an. That is, I had a breakfast is wrong. I had breakfast. I had a lunch is wrong. I had lunch. In the same way, names of meal should not carry either indefinite article or definite article. The same, next one is names of games. So we can say the golf or the cricket is wrong. You should not use like that. You have to use as cricket, golf, football, etc. Without article the. The words games, the names of the games should not carry article the. Okay, before parts of body. This is very important. So when parts of body used as individual, we should not use article the. At the same time, if some damage occurred, that means if any hurt is done, then we use the before that. So for example, he moved his head, or I raised my hand. Like this, before the parts of body, I should not use any article. But he was hit on the head. Here the comes because here a hurt has happened on his head. So that I am using the article the. And the next one, articles of clothing. So, he took off his coat. he took off his coat. Here, he took off the coat wrong. You should not use like that. So before the word coat, you should not use the definite article the. Before nature, before the word nature, actually when nature is total, on the whole, when we are using this on the whole, we should not use the. The nature is wrong. Nature, individually we have to use. But when we mention one part, say for example countryside, then I say the. I love to visit the countryside. Countryside అన్న పదాన్ని వాడినప్పుడు ది వాడచ్చు. నేచర్ ఆన్ ద హోల్ అన్నది వాడినప్పుడు ది వాడకూడదు. And at the same time, before certain words, we don't use the in primary purpose. So for example, let us take the word home. When you use home individually, then you should not use the article the. So for example, I was at home, or he went home. But if home is preceded by any adjective or any qualifier, then we have to use the. So for example, they arrived at the bride's home. So here home is preceded by the bride's. Bride is a qualifier of home, and that's why we use the here. Okay, and in certain words like bed, church, hospital, prison, school. In these words, we don't use the in primary sense. In primary sense, we don't use the. What is primary sense? Why do we use bed? We use I go to bed means నేను నిద్రపోతున్నాను అని, నిద్రపోవడానికి వెళ్తే. ఓకే, చర్చ్ వర్షిపర్గా వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళకి, హాస్పిటల్ పేషెంట్స్గా వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళకి, ప్రిజన్ ఖైదీలుగా కల్ప్రిట్స్గా వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళకి, స్కూల్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ లెర్నింగ్ సెంటర్, కాలేజ్, యూనివర్సిటీ, యాజ్ అ లర్నర్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ ది. ఈ సెన్స్లో వాడినప్పుడు ది వాడకూడదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఐ గో టు బెడ్, whereas I saw the box on the bed. Look here, I go to bed. ఇక్కడ ది యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. I saw the box on the bed. ఇక్కడ ది యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఆర్ the minister distributed sweets in the prison. So the minister went to prison to distribute sweets. But if any person, Razu, was in prison. So here, Razu as a culprit went to the prison. Whereas here the minister distributed sweets in the prison. ఇక్కడ ది యూజ్ చేసాం, ఇక్కడ ది యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. In the same way, you go to school every day to learn, whereas your mother comes to the school to pay the fee. There the is used. Okay, in these cases we use the when they are used in the secondary purpose. We don't use the when they are used in the primary purpose. In the same way, see, town, work. These three also don't carry the. Don't carry definite article the. The word see, the word town, the word work, they don't carry the in their uses, either in written or in spoken form. Do all of you understand? We should not use the అనే దాన్ని కొన్ని certain cases లో వాడకూడదు అని ఈ లెసన్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. So do all of you understand this? And thus we completed learning article. Thank you for watching.